1, 2, 3.
Two, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Damn right, I got knives here with another knife review. Let's put these away for a second. Why is there 2 of them here? Because I have a special guest again, Tim Soete.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome. So what's going on, dude? How you been?
Been okay. Obviously, I've gotten a little more into knives since the last time I was on.
What are we listening to?
This is Visage, a new romantic band. This album came out in 1980. The singer is Steve Strange. Unfortunately, he passed away kind of recently. You see that Midge Ure is also a member of this band. The guitar player for Susie and the Banshees is also on this. It's like one of my favorite 80s new wave records, I guess. Most people have heard this track, Fade to Gray, but they don't know who did it.
Cool.
Visage.
Visage. Oh, I noticed also, yeah, this is on Polydor Records. They would always press up really great records, and it's got that Polydor writing on it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they always sounded killer.
I think they had a good mastering facility.
They must have.
Must have.
Cool artwork. All right, let's move along from Visage. Here we go.
So let me explain what this is. This is from a company called Factor 75. You've probably seen their ads all over the internet. They do prepared meals for people doing keto diets like I am. They're pretty tasty. They also sell these shakes. This one is chocolate brownie. It's got 1 gram of sugar and 12 grams of protein.
Chocolate brownie, that sounds really good.
I think these are pretty good.
Cheers. Okay. You know when you're at Baskin Robbins and your shake melts a bit? It's that flavor they had at Baskin Robbins. Melted milkshake. That's a great dessert. Plant-based shake. I could have that pouring out of like a Sparklets bottle thing in my kitchen.
Yeah. I think you have to keep it refrigerated, but yeah, maybe. You guys can't see it right now, but we have these killer chocolate milk mustaches.
That's just my lipstick.
Aha. Okay. Somebody's corny. Just kidding.
Did you say somebody's horny?
Yeah, I don't know why I said it. I just thought I'd make you laugh harder.
Oh God, I love that. That's hilarious. All right, moving along. All right, some fun here.
Spyderco.
Yeah, we each got one. Let's just get into it. Here, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Anyways, I got the black one.
I got the, I guess you call it satin finish?
Yeah. I put these little $5 clips in mine. I forget the name of the place you get them from, but I'll try and put a link in it in the description. It's a backspacer. You don't have to take apart the knife. You just pop it in. It's just this plastic.
Yeah, looks good with the all black knife.
And then you have this.
Yeah.
See that? Just,
I like that glint. Yeah,
looks really good.
Those geometric angles of the Tanto blade. You moved your clip.
Oh yes, I did.
Interesting.
Yeah, I made mine I changed mine to tip up carry and on the right side, so that when it's in my pocket, that's what I'm rubbing against, not the metal.
Oh, all right.
Because it has the edges here. So when I'm carrying it in my pocket, that's what my pocket looks like. So when I reach into my pocket, it's where yours.
Yeah, I haven't been wearing it in my pocket.
It goes in like that.
Tip down.
Which is a good way to carry because it makes sure that blade doesn't get you. Tip up on the inside, if this blade opens, it's hitting against your pants pocket and can't open all the way to the right where you usually carry your pocket knife.
And this is what they call a deep pocket carry?
This is not deep carry.
So what designates it as deep?
Okay, so this much of it sticks out of your pant pocket.
Okay.
Deep carry. It doesn't fall out if your pocket is easy, first of all, but it also hides it a little more from people seeing it and either being intimidated about it or knowing you have a knife, but legally you have to have it on a pocket clip to carry some sizes in some places. I like when my knives show a little. I think it's nice. I also like the deep carry too, because you see I have it in both ways. I'm not pro one way or the other.
Interesting. Okay. You always hear people wanting deep carry clips.
Yeah, and people ask, like, are you tip up, tip down, right side, left side, all that stuff. And you know, I don't mind when a knife just decides for me and there's not all these extra holes around. They just make it a way and either you like it or you don't. But some people like the ability to mod out their things. Like if you notice these holes on all these Spydercos have 3 holes here, 3 holes here, 3 holes here, 3 holes here. And that's so you can move that clip wherever you want. That way it can for a left or a right-handed person or carrying it in different ways that you prefer.
Of them.
Yeah. So anyways, here's my Spyderco Paramilitary 2 and here's my Tanto.
Those look great.
Here I have the titanium backspacer, titanium purple screws, titanium purple pocket clip, and I'm just now noticing that I'm missing a screw, one of my purple screws.
Oh no, what?
Look it, I just now realized.
Oh boy.
Luckily I have a couple backup screws and I'll just put one in there, but it was my other purple titanium one. Anyway, I like the purple on this.
So I ordered some screws from Screws For You. It's just a seller on Etsy. And I got lime green titanium. It should be interesting. Those look good together.
Pair of 3. Ooh yeah, look at that.
Wire clip. The handle, I like the handle, but it's a lot lighter than the Tanto. This is a Spyderco Insistent. It doesn't have the greatest opening action, but you can still open it with one hand. That's a lot of Spyderco right there.
Yeah. Remember we were talking about Tantos?
Blade Runner Systems Nomad. And basically the only way to open this is underhanded, like with the flick of your middle finger. Like that.
Ooh.
It's just really easy. But if you can see, the geometry is way different. Kind of stabby looking. Yeah.
They make the BRS Alpha Beast and the Replicant. They're known for making great volley songs by flippers for flippers.
Yeah.
But they also make a great pocket knife. This Evolve line that they got into.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It's meaty.
I find that the easiest way to open it.
Really great. It almost reminds me of, you know, with the digital camo, of course.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of Digicamo.
Yeah, but Tanto version. So it almost starts looking like this. And I thought I'd get out
Yeah, sure.
another Tanto as well thing. And yeah, out the front, the
What is that?
Microtech.
Oh.
Microtech UTX 85.
You gotta love Tanto, man. That's a good lineup right there. Can I check this one?
Yeah, please do.
You just push this back and...
Pull it back. Get it a little bit.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So this wouldn't actually stab into someone if you held it.
No, watch.
No, don't try it.
Watch. What happens is it stops.
Interesting. Well, that's
and then it's a safety feature so it doesn't go off in your pocket. And then you lightly pull this and it's right back in action.
Cool.
Yeah, I did a review on this one as well a while back. It's the only out the front I have. Microtech is like basically known for being like the best out the front.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Knife. And this thing's killer. How have you been liking yours?
I love it. I've been carrying it around actually in my jacket pocket so I don't feel the full weight of it. It's a great fidget knife.
Overall length is 8.25. Blade thickness, 0.14. Blade material is a CPM S30V. These are just great knives.
So you see these two maker's marks here. There's one here for Sal Glesser, who is the owner of Spyderco. He founded it back in 1978.
Okay.
And then this other one here, an E, Eric Glesser's son. They're the designers.
Well, they look like almost weird Egyptian writing.
Yeah.
Can you see those? Yeah, maker's marks.
So I was talking about how this is such a good fidget knife, and this is another fidget knife that I really like. I bought it at your shop with store credit. It looks like a little katana or something. The CRKT CEO.
And I got the micarta one.
Oh, that's very nice. Yes. This handle material is some kind of glass reinforced plastic or G10.
Yeah, I love these, the CEO. And it's so fast. That's the thing about it too.
I love the look of the whole thing. It just looks like a little sword. You know?
Yeah, a little samurai sword. Set them in a pile on top of there.
Yeah,
like,
it's just a big knife orgy.
Yeah. Let's clear these up and do a paper cutting test. So I'll go first.
Getting pretty hot in here.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fire pit!
Fire pit! Why is that so funny?
Fire pit!
What? Fire pit! Oh my god.
Fire pit!
I think this cuts paper pretty damn well.
Definitely.
This is really good. Yeah.
I really like with the Tanto that when you're cutting something like boxes, you're not worried as much kind of about the tip hitting into the ground. I mean, it still would, but just having that snub nose, this is like the quintessential EDC knife to me.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, it can do everything anytime you need it. It's big, but like really comfortable in your pocket. You almost don't notice it's there.
Yeah.
These are big knives.
Yeah, it's pretty meaty feeling. Not as meaty as the Nomad, but
yeah,
getting there. Yeah.
I dig these knives.
Yeah, I'm really into this. This is by far the best knife I own.
I've been waiting for this knife release from when I first saw it. I was like, ooh, yeah. And I've heard some people knocking them a little bit. Like in the reviews, a couple people like underwhelmed by it. I'm not. I really like it. It's killer. I like the geometry and the shapes going on.
It's great blade steel too.
It's made well. These pocket clips are really strong. Some of the better pocket clips, I feel. I don't like the Spyderco pocket clips with where it's the wire. It's just not, it never looks good to me.
Well, also, yeah.
You have it on one,
We got pair of 3.
Yeah, I don't like that look.
This is the problem, is it kind of gets off center sometimes.
Yeah, it seems like it could bend easy, but it also reminds me of something you would find on like a Milwaukee knife at Home Depot.
I think they were trying to make it as light as possible, and that is the lightest. Perfect.
Yeah, centering's good on these. Blade play, nothing up or down, sideways.
Yeah, it's solid.
Thank you for coming over and playing with our Spydercos, doing the Spidey flick.
Thanks for having me.
Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Adios, amigos.
Bye-bye.
2, 3.